and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a unboxing. It's Christmas and my dear friends that I call my brother and stuff asked me to open their Christmas present on one. That was one of the stipulations they made with me. And so I'm going to open this makeup look right now. I did record it previously and I will put that up on Saturday. This I will be putting up tomorrow. The only thing I did was I changed my lipstick because the lip gloss was kind of hurting me a little bit. So I went with Doll Parts from Jeffree Star. That's the only thing that's different right now. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox this and see what they got me. I'm a little scared. And I've been like holding off since this morning. Right now it's like 4 o'clock. So let's see. Which way do you open? Oh, I love them. Oh, I do love them. Oh, I'm gonna give them big hugs. They got me. I've been wanting this. I didn't see it there, but it's a little Sally brush. I know it's kind of. There you go. See, there it is. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna have to put this over my brush side and clean it up a little bit. It's cute. And there is one other thing in here. And it's the Nightmare Before Christmas palette. How cute! I'll have to do a review for them on it. Oh wow, look at those colors, guys. Those are so pretty. That is really sweet. Yeah, I know this is going to be a quick one, but I was asked to make a video on this, but that is so sweet of them. I know this is going to be a really short one and everything, but yeah. I did show you guys the stuff I got from previously for Christmas and everything, but I was told I had to open that one on camera for them. But that is amazingly adorable. Let me open this and show you guys what's inside this one. So there looks like there is a set. Okay, there's the opening. So there looks like there is, oh, it's plastic, which is no big deal. I'm not tripping. So there's a lid. Oops, let me get the sticky tape off. So if I don't want to use it as to hold my makeup brushes, there's a lid for that. And it looks like they come with 2, 4, 5 brushes. And if I can take and can I get the thing out? Woo! There it goes. So the pot's not that deep. It's only yay big. But look at that nightshade. I love this pot. But let's see. So here's, and they're soft and they look like Sally's skin with her stitches and stuff. That's really cute. But there's that fluffy brush, this little edge one, really pretty. Another fluffy brush, a little smaller, or no, a little bit bigger actually. And it looks like this one needs a little trimming. A flat one. This is so cute. And then this one's a little bit on the angle fluffy brush. I think this one's like for blush, maybe bronzer, I'm not sure. But that is really cute. And yeah, they fit like that. But let me see how it looks with the lid on. I think it goes on a certain way, does it? Oh, this lid does not want to go on. No, the lid does not want to go on. I'll have to play with it. But that's how it looks with the lid on. It doesn't quite fit. I'm like trying to push down on my butt. But I'll just leave it cracked open. I'll leave it sit next to it or something. That is super cute. I'll put some of my other cute brushes in it with it and stuff. I did by myself, and I'll show you guys. I'm a huge Disney fan growing up, and this was my favorite movie. I got one of the brushes. This is Maleficent. It's from Sleeping Beauty. I'm obsessed with that movie, but I got those ones. Those are really, really pretty. I just don't want to take them out of the box. But yeah. But let me see what the shadows' names are, and I'll tell you guys. So up top, we got Cyclops. This one's called. Let me take this off. Let me check something first. They are cruelty-free. I think they're cruelty-free. That's what I was concerned about, because I would be so disappointed if I couldn't. So this one's called Creeper. That one. The one next to it's called Oogie. And then Wolfman. Is that brown? And the shimmery one right here is called Jack-o'-lantern. Spiraling Hill, the purple one. Mayor is the blue one. Frog Breath is that shimmery one. Black Widow is this red one. Wormworth is the middle one. This is Halloween is a black. And Frog's Juice. And this one is Deadly Nightshade. Is that? These are so cute. The mirror is actually quite decent too. It's big. You can see all my stuff. But that is so cute. I'll have to set it somewhere back there or something. But this is adorable. And I love them for this so much. But yeah. I had to do a family unboxing for Christmas. And I do enjoy this very much. Okay? Alright. If you guys like this video, please give it a like down below. If you aren't already, please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell. I do air every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And like I said in my you'll hear it in the next video and stuff, but I will try to get back on a normal schedule and everything, just due to the holidays. But you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and until next time, you guys have a wonderful and fantastic holiday, okay? Bye!